Are you trying to decide between Anki and Anki Pro? You're not alone. In this video, we'll compare these two popular flashcard tools to help you choose the right one for your study needs. Both Anki and Anki Pro are designed to help you learn better through spaced repetition. They use flashcards to make memorization easier, but they have some key differences that can impact your learning experience. Let's start with Anki. This tool is well known for its flexibility and customization. You can create your own decks and use various add ons. It's great for users who want complete control over their study materials. Anki is also available on multiple platforms, including desktop and mobile. Now, let's look at Anki Pro. This version builds on the original Anki but comes with a few extra features. It has a more user friendly interface, making it easier for beginners. Anki Pro also offers advanced statistics and better syncing across devices. This can be a big plus for those who want a smooth learning experience. So, what are the main differences? Anki is highly customizable, while Anki Pro focuses on ease of use. Anki Pro has more features for tracking your progress, but some users may find the original Anki's flexibility more appealing. When it comes to features, Anki offers a wide range of add-ons. Anki Pro, on the other hand, includes built-in support for images and audio, which can enhance your learning. Both tools have mobile apps, but Anki Pro's app is often seen as more polished. In terms of pricing, Anki is generally free, while Anki Pro usually requires a one time payment. This can be a deciding factor for many users. So, which one should you choose? If you love customization and flexibility, go for Anki. But if you prefer a more user friendly experience with helpful features, Anki Pro is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.